Did you know that the Kajabi community's live room has breakout groups just like Zoom? I didn't realize that until I was in there the other day in one of our Show Me How calls in our membership. I thought this was pretty cool, so I wanted to show you exactly what that looks like. So check this out. Inside of the Kajabi community, when you're in a live call, you can go to people and hit breakout groups. And this is where you can actually create different groups of people. So let's say you had, I don't know, 50 people in your call and you wanted to divide them up into separate groups of different conversations, different topics, or whatever. You can choose the number of groups here, up to 20 different groups, which is pretty cool. And then all you have to do is drag the guests over. I don't have any guests in here right now to show you this, but basically you would just drag them into each of the different groups and you would have then all your separate groups. And of course, you could rename them if you really wanted to, shuffle them if you wanted to just randomize it, and just hit, if you want to just quickly do it without choosing, you can just hit assign all, boom, it'll get divided up into groups, which I think is pretty cool. If you love that Kajabi tip, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and of course, check out this next video here.